first one, dynamic SQL with create. That means how to create a table while using dynamic SQL. That means I will send table name as a parameter so that it has to be created. Okay. So first of all, create procedure, and I'm using the name like dynamic underscore create. Okay. So parameter table name varchar of 50 as begin end. So here first step is declare @SQL varchar of max. So this SQL variable I am going to write query. Okay, so like what will be the create statement syntax? Create, okay, table and append parameter. Why? Because table name will come as a parameter. Okay, next. Here serial number, begin identity of 1, 1. Identity means it will generate serial number, and here employee number integer, comma ename varchar of 50, comma created date time. Here I am giving default constraint get date. Okay, now so here just I have written create statement and I have kept it in quotations except table name. Okay, I have done with concatenation. Okay, and now here take execute SQL. Just I am executing that state, and now select 200 as STS, comma create success as message. Now I'm just taking this, and here I want to create employee table like see what are the tables or exist. I'm giving just EMP1 create success. That means table has been created. We will check whether that table has been created or not. So select start from EMP1. See, table has been created. Okay, and if you pass EMP2, so same structure. Okay, so two tables are created. So structure is same structure with table, different table names will be created. Okay, so this is about dynamic SQL for create statement. Okay, so most probably I will tell one example. So in which situation this logic will be useful. For example, See, employee table, you take employee table itself. After joining this employee, that employee related data that will be stored in individual table. Like imagine that each employee related table's data will be stored in one table. For example, 7369 emp underscore 7369. In this table, the data will be related to the 7369 employee. Again 7499 emp underscore 7499. The data will be stored in emp underscore 7499 table, like that. So what type of data it will be stored? That means daily how many times he will be swiped in and swiped out in office. Okay, and how many meetings he will be attending on daily basis, or any kind of information. Okay, so if you want to save the employee information on individual table, so this dynamic SQL will be useful. So how do you get the data? So by using select query also. Okay, select query only we can get it. So if you pass a table name for particular employee, you can get the data. But there is a problem comes, like if you want to get the all employees information, then how do you write the query? That is also one of the big problem. Okay, so if you create different tables for different employees, if you want to get all employees data at a time, then you have to use some loop methods. Okay, so that will be some problem. Okay, so generally people won't do that type of design. Okay, but for your understanding purpose, I am telling this example. Okay, please try to understand with that example and don't think that this example will be implemented in real time. Okay, so for better understanding the dynamic SQL, I am telling this example. Okay, in real time it won't do that. Okay, this is dynamic create. Do you have any doubts?